Having a phone is great, but having a phone stand really allows me to benefit from all of my recording and videoing. I'm Brooke with WTI, and this magnetic phone stand for overhead recording by elitehood is so useful. I appreciate that there are no saggy hinges here. This is great for my videos, when I'm on a meeting, and to be in control. The base is solid 3.3 pounds and never falls. One simple, easy installation, just attach the base. It comes with the screw and the tool to use it. It was really easy to put together. And it also has this adhesive ring if you do not have the iPhone to have that MagSafe attachment on the beautiful stand. I personally think this helps so much having my phone lifted up in the air. It can be extended to 24 inches in height, but it can be reduced to 15 inches. So giving me a 360-degree swivel tilt overhead, I'm able to really get any angle that I really need. I love it, but that's just my point of view.